Welcome to this module, Installing Tracking Code and Tagging Methods. Let's dive into how tracking actually works and why it's one of the most important part of web analytics. What is a tracking code? A tracking code is a small snippet of JavaScript or sometimes just an image pixel that gets embedded into your website or app. Its job to collect data about your user, what they do, where they go, and how they interact with your content. These codes are used by popular analytics platforms like Google Analytics 4, Facebook Pixel, LinkedIn Insight Tag, Google Ads conversion tracking, and tools like Hotjar or Microsoft Clarity. Once installed, the tracking code quietly monitors actions like pages viewed, time spent, button clicked, form submitted, and even purchases made. All of this data is then sent back to the analytics platform where it becomes powerful insights for marketers, analysts, and business leaders. Why proper installation matters. It may seem like small technical detail, but installing your tracking code correctly is critical. When done wrong, you can face major issues. Duplication data from actions being tracked multiple times, missing data especially from mobile or dynamic pages, inaccurate reports leading to false bounds or conversion rates, and broken marketing funnels where users convert but you never see it. Imagine running a $10,000 ad campaign and not tracking the leads it generated. That's a serious waste, one that proper tagging could have been prevented. Real life scenario, the analytics blackout. A digital agency launched a huge Black Friday campaign for an e commerce client. Everything looked good until 5 days in when they realized mobile sales weren't being tracked. Why? The tracking code was hidden inside a conditional script that didn't load on mobile devices. Result, over 70% of real sales were missed from the reports. After fixing the code with Google Tag Manager, they restored tracking, but the damage was done. Reporting was delayed, optimization stalled, and trust was shaken. What are the tagging methods? Tagging means deciding how and where you install tracking code on your site. There are two main methods. Number one, manual tagging. This means directly adding the tracking code into your website's source files, usually in the header or footer. Pros. Simple and fast for basic or static sites, good for single-use tags. Cons. Requires developer access, time consuming to maintain, risky on large or dynamic websites. Number two, tag management systems. Tag management system like Google Tag Manager or GTM lets you manage your tracking tags from one dashboard without touching your website code every time. Pros. No developer needed after setup. Easily manage and test multiple tags. Has version control and debugging tools. Faster deployment on website. Cons. Has a learning curve. Requires proper setup at the beginning. Most modern sites use GTM because they streamline and simplifies the whole tagging process. Examples of tags you might install. GA4 page view tag, GA4 event tag, Facebook pixel, LinkedIn insight tag, Hotjar tag, Google Ads tag. Benefits of proper tagging. Here's why getting tagged right is the must. Number 1, accurate management. Trustworthy reports on user engagement, traffic sources, and ROI. Performance optimization. Spot where users drop off and improve your funnel. Cross-platform attribution. Understand how email, social search, and ad work together. Personalization and targeting. Use data to retarget ads or create custom experience. Compliance and data governance. Meet GDPR or CCPA requirements with tools like CookieBot. Who should understand tagging? Tagging isn't just for developer. It's important for digital marketers, analysts, developers, e-commerce manager, business owners. Every non-tech professional should know the basics because every part of digital marketing relies on accurate tracking. Common tools for tracking and tag management. Google Tag Manager, Facebook Event Manager, LinkedIn Campaign Manager, Google Ads conversion tools, Shopify and WordPress plugin integrations, cookie consent platforms. These help you install, test, and troubleshoot your tags securely and efficiently. Real life example. Let's meet Priya. She runs a local bakery and just launched her website. After installing Google Analytics 4, she discovers that most of her visitors came from Instagram, used mobile phone devices, and viewed her custom cake page the most. With that insight, she improved her mobile experience and ran Instagram ads targeting cake lovers. Within a month, her online orders grew by 40%. That's the power of proper tracking. Final thoughts. Tracking and tagging are not just technical tasks. They are foundation of data-driven marketing. By installing your tracking codes correctly and using tools like Google Tag Manager, you can eliminate blind spots, segment audiences effectively, build trust in reporting, and make sure your marketing investments are paying off. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share. And of course, subscribe to stay updated with next modules in Web Analytics course. See you there.